Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will teach you how to use drum machine in BandLab. Okay, so the first thing is to add a drum machine and select a drum pattern. I will pick this one and try to play. You can add a new pattern and try to add some random beat. You can also record yourself playing by pressing this button, and it will automatically add the beat to the arrangement. You can add a new pattern simply by clicking this option, New Pattern. And here is the new pattern. In order to record yourself playing, click this play button. And now the step is sequencing the beat. This is how it looks like. You can now add more notes to the drum machine. Try to make the drum machine more interesting with those sounds. You can select 1, 2 or 4 bars. I will pick 2 bars. You can select any other drum kit, if you want. This drum kit is my favorite. I will pick this one. You can add more drums to make the sound more interesting. You can also go to the FX button to select some effects for the drum machine. This can add some distortion, reverb, phaser or other effects. You can also go here to edit the presets. Okay, this is everything you should know when making a drum machine. You can now reorganize the entire project by moving and selecting other patterns. And you can also add an instrument like bass line. Let me show you the bass line. Okay, I want to record it, but make sure to turn on the count in. Go to Pattern, select all notes, and click here to quantize. Now try to play. For the chorus, make another bass line and play it faster. Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you want more music production tutorials, consider subscribing and I will make more tutorials in the future. Stay tuned and happy producing!